The overall goal of this immunostaining protocol is to evaluate synaptic density in ex vivo brain slices.
This method can help answer key questions in the neuroscience field and is useful when studying synapse density changes as observed in neurodegenerative diseases.
The main advantage of this technique is that it provides a semi-quantitative estimation of synapse density, which can be compared between experimental conditions prepared at the same time.
Begin by placing the mouse brain on a petri dish. Then, remove the cerebellum and a small section of the frontal cortex with a scalpel, before hemisecting down on the midline of the brain. Turn one hemisphere onto the side that was just cut and glue it onto the stage of a vibrotome. Pour ice-cold ACSF into the microtome chamber and oxygenate the solution. Cut 200 to 300 micron thick sections of the complete region of interest. For the hippocampus, approximately 3 to 4 slices should be obtained per hemisphere. Use a plastic Pasteur pipette to transfer the slices to a temperature-controlled chamber submerged in oxygenated ACSF. Maintain at 34 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes have elapsed, transfer the slices into a 24-well plate containing 4% paraformaldehyde with 4% sucrose and fix for 20 minutes to 1 hour.